without you. Thought I'd never be alone. I spent all my days around you. How could you just let me go? Was it not enough? Did I not deserve your love? You know, you took away my trust and left me skin and bones. Lost myself for too long. Give me something that'll take this pain away. Learning how to move on. I finally got the words I need to say. I am better now. Picked myself up off the ground. Made it here through the tears. Oh, I'm so much better now. You know I was so far down. Broke my way through all the clouds. Read the signs. Better now. So much better now. Through the tears.
Did you guys know that if you buy the latest techno phone, is it Canon or Camon? The new Canon series, the Canon 17, the Canon 17. If you buy the new Techno Canon 17, you get a brand new Airpod as like it's a free gift that comes with the phone. Like, oh my god, I think that's so cool. Airpod as their free gift. Like, I don't know how long it's going to last, yeah. But once you buy once you buy the Canon 17 right now, they're going to give you their new Airpod. And I wanted to buy a new Airpod for the longest time, but you know, with the situation of things in Nigeria right now, everything is super expensive, especially gadgets like laptop, phones. In fact, anything electronics is super expensive right now in Nigeria because of the hike in dollar price. So, but oh my god, I feel this is so. By the way, this is not a sponsored video at all. Like, this is totally me doing my thing. Okay, I'm just going to unbox this. Yeah, so I'm taking this one. My husband gave it to me, so I'm going to be using it. And
bésame sin querer, aunque sea única vez. Y tú y yo no puede ser. Vamos a pasarla bien por última vez. Quiero estar contigo un poquito. Tu cuerpo y el mío pegadito. Si jugas conmigo, cuidadito. Vamos con el ritmo suavecito. Yo quiero estar contigo un poquito. Tu cuerpo y el mío pegadito. Si jugas conmigo, cuidadito. Vamos con el ritmo suavecito. Quiero estar contigo un poquito. Tu cuerpo y el mío pegadito. Si jugas conmigo, cuidadito. Vamos con el ritmo suavecito. Yo quiero estar contigo un poquito. Tu cuerpo y el mío pegadito. Si jugas conmigo, cuidadito. Vamos con el ritmo suavecito.
yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and charge it now. It also comes with these two tiny ear stuff, like those rubber things which I can use to exchange this one, and that's it for the AirPod. So I need to go charge it now.
Journey seems to you sometimes I just like triple see through more, but it gets quite lonely in my bubble, and I don't wanna cause no.
I'm about to start. There's this series. I've been watching it for like 2 years now. I got to know about it from my friend. So my friend that introduced me. The name is Grownish. You know, there's Blackish, there's Grownish. So I've been watching Blackish for like since I was in the university. It was my friend, like she always watches it, so I got to know about it, and it's just a fun family drama. And then they later came up with the Grownish series, and I started watching that one too. The Grownish series is about, you know, college life, coming of age. They talk about each episode talks about different. Each episode talks about some kind of young adult life challenge. So I just feel like it's so engaging for me. Like I enjoy watching their series. So they just released a new episode. I think they just started season 4 last week. They released a new episode. It airs every Thursday. So the episode they released last week, I couldn't watch it, so I'm about to watch it now. I've been so busy, but today I'm going to catch up on Grownish season 4 episode 1. You can check it out if you like all these college dramas. College, it's an American movie, sha. It's not a Korean drama. People say that every time I'm always like talking about Korean dramas. Well, now I'm talking about an American drama, okay? So I'm going to start watching Grownish. I have my snacks here, which I've been eating the snacks for like 3 days straight now. 3 days. I bought plenty of it when we went to ShopRite. So just like every time I have to snack on something, I'll just go and take one. And this one is so nice. I think they improved on the quality. I think they improved on the quality, because these ones are so tasty. Like, that those things they sprinkle on cheese balls, it's plenty in this one, and it's really nice compared to the other ones that they've been doing for years. Like people have complained and left their product. They decided to improve. So
I am lost in this blue galaxy without you. Hey, whoa, yeah. I am lost in this blue galaxy without you. Whoa.
good morning, guys. Let's get emails asking where I get my non-copyrighted music from. I reply as much as I can, but I might not, like, some of the emails always end up going to my spam. So where I get my music from, Hello Thematic. It's a website where you can get any, like, they have different kinds of music and all that. So they have the paid version, but I'm using the free version. But the thing is, if you're using any of their songs, like, as you're registering, they'll tell you that if you're using any of their songs, they'll give you a personalized link which you are going to, like, attach to your video description when you use the song. That way, and then you also need to register your YouTube channel on their website so that you don't get copyrighted. So that's where I get my music from. So that's where I get my songs from. Also, I've started reading this book. I told you guys the other time, this Atomic Habits. I started reading it. So, but I'm still at the beginning part where I'm just like, when you start a movie and you're just like waiting for that moment, that aha moment, and that's just like the way it is for this book. I've not really like started feeling the book, but I'll let you guys know about it, like what I think about it once I'm done.
We come around right to the block and we start feeling ourselves. And shawty tricking me, and she know she feeling herself. I got my hands up on the way, I'm praying to God. I think that she can't really see that I don't do this for you. Gotta do it cause that's all that I got. I push a limit and I drive at the top. And she made me go around like it's the end of the world. I tell her lies, I know I never fall. I won't accept it.
So can you pick a side? I won't accept. So can you pick a side? I won't accept. So can you pick a side? I won't accept.
Oh my god.
Came right to that block and I started feeling myself. And she thinks she got it good, but she was screaming from hell. She think that she a witch, but she ain't casting a spell. I know it's hard as it tells. We come around right to the block and we start feeling ourselves. And shawty tricking me, and she know she feeling herself. I got my hands up on the way, I'm praying to God. I think that she can't really see that I don't do this for you. Gotta do it cause that's all that I got.